guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you if you are seeing the message "we are sorry and an unexpected error has occurred, our technical staff has been notified" in Google Chrome browser. Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix this irritating error. So let's get started. So first, clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometime cause loading problem. So to clear this guys, just tap on three dots and go to, you can get delete browsing data. Just tap on it, select time range all, tap on more options, select this all boxes and then tap on delete data. That's it. Okay, now go back and refresh your website 2 to 3 times continuously. Hope it will fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now what you need to do, if you are using any extension or if you are using any VPN on your phone, you need to disable it temporarily. Sometimes the VPN and extension cause this type of problem. That's it. Okay, still your problem was not solved, try opening this same website on incognito mode. Just open the incognito mode and just search here your website. Okay, now hopefully this will also able to fix your problem in incognito mode. So as you can see guys, our problem was solved. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to update your browser. To update the browser, open the Play Store and here you need to search Chrome browser, and if the app update is available, just simply go ahead, update your app. Okay, after updating, it will fix your problem. Still, in case you are facing the same type of problem, now what you need to do, you need to reset your browsing data. To reset these guys, once again go to your browser settings and find out the reset settings in the option. Now go back and reload your website. Okay, now it will fix your problem. So as you can see guys, our website was working very fine now. Still your problem was not solved, or if you are facing the error for only specific website, it may be an issue on their end. Okay, check their support page or contact them directly. Okay, so that's it for today guys. If this video helped you, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos. Catch you in next video. Thank you.